Why do 90% of Anaheim drivers choose Pronto Car Glass for their auto glass repair? At Pronto Car Glass, we make auto glass repair a breeze. With our top-rated service, convenient locations, and 5-star reviews, it's no wonder Anaheim residents trust us with their vehicles. Need a quick fix? Call us at 714-503-0743 or visit www.prontocarglass.com. Our friendly team is ready to help, offering quality repairs that stand the test of time. Check out our GMB page to see what your neighbors are saying. Customers rave about our fast service, professional staff, and outstanding results. So, whether it's a tiny chip or a big crack, don't wait. Contact Pronto Car Glass for the best auto glass repair in Anaheim. Remember, we're just a call away at 714-503-0743. Pronto Car Glass, where quality meets convenience.